Hi, this is Shreya, and welcome back to my channel. So my channel is basically about me writing poetry and discovering all the aspects of life as I grow up. But yes, since I'm in very initial phase of my content creation, I'm trying to learn more, trying to try more different genres, explore what works best for me. So yeah, this is one of those videos. And today we are here with the Misho haul. So basically, I was a person who used to shop from Amazon, Flipkart really often, but my brother told me, okay, let's just start unboxing and then we can talk. So yeah, so my elder brother told me that I should explore Misho. It's cheap and they have good stuff, which I thought that okay, sounds interesting. But then when I discovered or when I found out more about it, I discovered that oh, it is a very cheap market, which is why I thought that oh, the products might not be good enough. I mean, it sounded really gimmicky to me. So I did not try it in the first place. Later on, I did end up thinking that okay, it's cheap, maybe let's just give it a thought. And when I literally scrolled a bit, I got around, I guess, 20ish things. In my first order itself, I ordered a lot, and I basically ordered this because there's a puja at my place, and because I happened to find itta sasta saman on Meesho, I decided that I'll order a lot and maybe is bar I'll try to decorate the place by myself, which is why the haul, of course. So the first box brings out this. This image was काफी बड़ा, but anyways, it's really teeny tiny. But it was around 200ish something, so I won't mind. Also, it's not very heavy, but still sturdy enough. Like it is obviously decorative. You'll put water or some flowers or some diyas. That's it. So it's good for that purpose. It's nice. So I got iska two ka set for 200ish. I mean 200 के ऊपर ही I assume. I'll just input the price इधर पे. So yeah, next up we have this and okay, since I'm in the very initial phase, I don't have that aesthetic, paper cutter and all of that. I might get it later if I feel like. Okay, so I ordered some fake plants also. This is how they have delivered it. This is the stem of it, झाड़ी basically. और ये पत्तियां हैं which look pretty nice. I mean the quality inside the packaging looks nice only. Let me open and see. Okay, it is very plasticky if you feel it. मतलब not like the IKEA or those kind of stuff. Very bougie, very luxe. वैसा तो नहीं है, but it's nice. So there's also this little hole इधर में जिसमें you can put it. Okay, let me just try with one to show it. Yeah, so you can put it like this, and then yeah, you'll be good to go. So there are quite a few, I guess, some 11 12ish होगा या maybe उससे ज़्यादा भी हो. I'll try to assemble it later. Yeah, so that's one fake plant that I got, which is not plant honestly, but yeah, somewhat like that. Either ways, this is our next package. Let's see what's in there. I have a lot. Also, I waited काफी time तक. Anyways, while I do this, why should I not talk about this page? So I loved writing, but the kind of writings that I write are not quite acceptable in brown families, and I keep quoting again and again. So I was scolded for doing that back in time when I was in school, and being a rebellious child, I decided I give no shit. I'll still continue writing, and I did that. I got scolded quite a lot, but then I still did it. Then I thought I'll just share some pieces of mine with my friends who have had similar experiences, which I did again. So they said, "Oh, this is so nice, you should actually post it." And I was like, okay, we can maybe do that, but sometime later in life when I have time for it. And then one day it hit me that you never have time for anything. You basically have to find time to do things because that's the whole point of your life, that you don't have to wait. Okay, तो ये तो कुछ ऐसा सेट ओके ये कुछ ऐसा सेट था ऑफ सम 5 6 पीसेस ऐसे करके, ओके ऐसे करके एंड देन ये उसके ऊपर का थिंगी है. आई जस्ट असेंबल एंड शो इट ऑल्सो while I yap. So yes, this is how it is going to get assembled and look. Yeah, this is what it is. Quality is very similar to वो पहले वाला ही, but just that this has a stand something. I'll have to see इसका price. I'll again pop it here. So yeah, so also there are three this little bowls to attach as a stand, and then three toppers with three danda to attach it. So that's that. And I started recording myself randomly. And after a while, I thought that maybe just send it to some of my friends and then see how they react to it. And my girls were like, oh, this is so crazy, but we need to film an intro and all of that. So yeah, we ended up doing all of that aesthetic thingy to introduce. But oh, I think this is from some small business or something. So they have a cute little note right here. By the way, these are would drop down flowers, a set of 12, and they have sent some cute note along with it. Here is it. I'll just read it out rather. Thank you for purchasing. We would love to hear your feedback. Please share photos and give us ratings. We'll do that for sure. I do that very often. So any place I visit, people ask me for reviews and ratings, and I'm like, bring it in. I'll click random pictures of that place and try to rate it. There's no point doing that, but makes people feel good, and that's the whole point of your existence. Not that you should be a people pleaser or something, but yeah, you can still be good to people. I mean, people like these who are ready to serve you with a happy face. So this is another package of face plant, जो कि फिर से वैसे ही पैकेजिंग में रिसीव हुआ है, मतलब ऐसे डंडी और लीव्स के साथ. This one is, I'll not pull out सारे leaves, but I'll still show you one or two. This one is again plasticky, but a bit better than the previous one. Again, you install it in the same way. It'll be thoda tricky for the first time. Sounds very bad, but yeah, once you get the hang of it, it'll be good. Okay, the next parcel. I have a lot. I don't know how long is this video going to be, but in case you all hang in there till end. So yeah, I not only ordered decoratives for puja and all, I've also ordered some essentials for myself, since my cupboard, my drawer is very much cluttered and I wanted to sort of organize it, which is why I've also ordered some organizers, jewelry organizers, drawer organizers, and this apparently is one of those. I touched it and I knew it might be that. So yes, this is a pack of 36, I think, because I have a lot of artificial jewelries and a lot of real ones as well. So you need to segregate them and then put them in different bags so you can pull it out on different occasions. This is really good for it. Picture say it's covered, of course. Aage say you find this transparent thingy so you can see which one's where, and then there's a ziplock as well. So yeah, there are quite a lot. I don't know if I have as many jewelries in reality, because I thought कि ये थोड़ा छोटा होगा and it'll fix like just one set of jewelry, but I think I can put two in it, because I will put two in it. Because why waste the package? If I have empty bags, I can order more jewelries, and more is always appreciated, welcomed. In terms of jewelry only, not trauma, not torture, and all of those rules and regulations, which are obviously always more, no matter how less they feel to the ones who are imposing. But either ways, this is one little jewelry organizer again. This is that kind, you can also use it travels K time. So it's really cute. I got it in pink color because of course I'm obsessed with pinks and whites. So yes, I mean, basic. I think a lot of y'all must be having these, but yeah, you can still get it. You can put your earrings इधर में ऐसे इधर से डाल के, and then you can lock it either side पे. There's a slot for rings, for earrings and chains and everything. Yeah, it's nice. It's pretty nice. You can use it travel pay, or you can use it otherwise also. There are several sizes इसके, like the bigger boxes, the smaller ones. I wanted a smaller one because of course I want to use it during my travel as well. I have a pile of things, by the way. Okay, so I still have a lot more stuff to show you all, but the video has gone way too long, which is why we'll have a part 2 of it. And in case you want to have more look into what all I got, you can please subscribe and like this video. Stay tuned for the part 2. It'll come as soon as I can post it, or should I say, as soon as I get a little, maybe let's keep a target of maybe 10 comments, because I'm really starting off my journey. So, yeah, let's just keep it there. So, if I get 10 comments for part 2, it'll be posted, and yeah, there we go. So, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you comment for part 2 for it to come as soon as possible.